a very manual process. They're very skilled, and it takes a lot of time and effort. And even with all of the knowledge, the information, and the experience that they have, we're finding that there's gaps in the data, there's gaps in the responsiveness, there's gaps in the process visibility, that it's suboptimal scheduling. And so as we bring in these digital solutions, we're integrating the data with the shop floor, with the operational technology. We're bringing in multitudes of business rules into the solution, and we're automating that with the input and the feedback from the users and the employees, and creating a more optimal schedule for them that's increasing throughput on the shop floor.